33. Fuck, I almost made it. So you got 2 minutes of part 2. There you go, man. That's it. Gonna wire brush it. You can't see what I'm doing here. I just saved myself $33. Half an hour worth of work. Well, 45 minutes. Yeah, an hour. Anyway, 6-foot window. Is there any place I can put this in where you guys can fucking see it? No. Curtain rod. Stupid. Simple. Just want to show you guys. I just like doing this shit to show you guys you don't need $1 million worth of equipment or a million years experience. You know, cheapo flux core welder, grinders, homemade forge, some charcoal. Banged out a curtain rod. Just gonna wire brush it, clear coat it, call it a night. Go home and take a shower, man. Thanks for watching. Sorry I was in such a rush. It's a long day and I'm tired. But God bless. Thanks for tuning in. Get out and use your hands. You know, if you can, do something nice for somebody. Do something nice for yourself. And I'll catch you on the next one, man. Thanks. Later.